harahiye kabisa from Kenya to Burundi. Yes, ntibyari bimenyerewe cyane kubona umuririmbyi wo hanze y'igihugu cy'u Burundi arondera umuririmbyi w'umurundi. N'imyaka myinshi guys, tumaze imyaka myinshi turondera icyo kintu tukibona nk'indoto, ariko uyu munsi kiragaragaye kandi niyo nzira biriko biraza. Byaravuzwe cyane, byarasemerewe hirya nino, ariko uyu munsi bigiye ahabona. Guys, ni kenshi twavuze yuko umuziki ndundi uri kuragera ku rugero ruteye ubwoba cyane. Umuziki w'Uburundi uriko uramamara hirya nino. Amaze imyaka mikeyi cyane mu muziki, aho ibikorwa vyiwe ahageze arutana bamaze imyaka ya indi muzi myinshi cyane mu muziki. Nawe sundi ni Sat-B Saturama Bafle, aho yaraye yizewe na Bahati from Kenya. Bahati from Kenya, aho ni muri Kenya, tutavuze ibindi bihugu bamugomwa, ariko buke muzobibona, muzobimenya. Atiro nibiki guys, banzu fyonde subscribe kwanza ndakubwira ikintu naje ndakuzana uyu munsi gishushe. Love Like This niryo zina rya album ya Bahati, aho ihurikimo indirimbo 10. Izo ndirimbo 10 akaba harimo amakolabo yise amakolabo international. Yes, ni Bahati kuva aho yakaririmbiye umuziki, amazina amaze kubaka hirya nino, ariko niyo album yiwe ya mbere kuva agitangura kuririmba. Ni Bahati aho yagumwe abarimvyi batandukanye, aho ubonamwo muri yo album y'ubonamwo amakorabo nk'umurimvyi Rayvanny kuva Tanzania, ubonamwo Sat-B Saturama Bafle wahani wacu Burundi, Nadia Mukami, Jovio, Lydia Jasmine, aho abaririmbyi arabarimvyi Bahati wenyine akubwira neza ko abaririmbyi bakomeye cyane bashobora kumugeza ahandi hantu guys. Mu birori vyaraye bibaye mu gihugu ca Kenya i Nairobi, mu hoteli yitwa Trademark Hotel, ihoteli isanzwe ikomeye cyane nga mu gihugu ca Kenya, aho ivyo birori rero vyaranzwemo n'abaririmbyi bakomeye cyane baje kumufata mugongo Bahati, aho twabonyemwo Spice Diana, Oriko Mondi, Major, Otile Brown n'abandi benshi cyane bakomeye ngaho mu karere kacu ka East Africa, aho ari birori vyari biryoshe cyane, aho yanabumvishije n'indozo ndirimbo n'ubuce bwazo aragenda arazo. Aho tubona neza yuko Bahati mu kajambo yashikirije nyuma y'ivyo birori yavuzemwo umuririmbyi wahani wacu Sat-B Saturama Bafle, aho yavuze ati twarakoranye igikorwa gikomeye cyane. Umugore we wa Bahati wewe nta byinshi yavuze ati my favorite song ni Sweet Darling, indirimbo girandwi. Iyo ndirimbo nayo tukaca tubona neza yuko ari muririmbyi Sat-B Saturama Bafle ariho yaririmbyemwo. Guys, ni indirimbo ikomeye cyane, aho mubona neza yuko abana b'u Burundi bariko baratera imbere cyane, aho tunashimagiza Sat-B, aho abantu bose hirya no bagomba kubwira ati Sat-B ni yubahwe. Guys, mu makomantere hirya tugenda turabona abamaze kumva izo ndirimbo muri Boom Player, kuko iri deja muri Boom Player baravuga neza ko iyo ndirimbo Sat-B yamumize Bahati. Guys, kurikirana uko ibirori byari bimeze, turagaruka.
Msikanyage viatu, msikanyage bwana hizo viatu.
Music, celebrity, entertainment, showbiz. Welcome to the Town Trend Show.
Abdul ndio anapiga pesa. Mapema sana.
this was my first album in my career, so it's homemade, you know. It's you know, my favorites from Kenya, my favorite from Tanzania, my favorite from Uganda, my favorite from Burundi, Rwanda, you know. And you know, I want to big up every artist that came through. You know, the song with Nadia is a banger, the song with Rayvanny is everyone. So I wanted to start with pop, you know, and then now I have another surprise maybe in a few months. Yeah.
So are we expecting you maybe utafanya kazi na msanii kutoka nchi gani outside East Africa?
From the other surprises, yeah. They should keep them. It's a surprise. That's why it's a surprise. For now, they should go stream Love Like This, you know, on Boomplay, and listen to that song with Rayvanny, with Nadia Mukami, with Jovial. Actually, we did not get time to premiere the song with Jovial, with Lydia Jasmine, you know, amazing lady from Uganda, and with Satbib from Burundi, Rwanda. So every song is a hit in that album.
Na Bahati, kuna wakati ambapo ulijiita wewe ndio ni tembo. Ikaleta shida fulani pale, ileta shida kwa kwadi tukamwona Harmonize kwa unfollow, sijui kama umesha solve hizo issue na Harmonize.
I got busy bana, but I know we will talk tukipatana. You know, I'm not a beefing person. At times.
Hello guys, it's Mungai Eve. Niko hapa, as you can see, niko na amazing ladies, wow, beauties. Yeah, niko na wao hapa kama mwajua, hao ni Premier Gang ya Diana. By the way, I'm a big fan wa Diana. I used kumwangalia sana before nianze channel, imagine. Yeah, and right now, she's so good. I wish ningepata chance ya kuongea na yeye. Yeah, time itafika. So guys, niko na wao hapa, watatuambia wanaitwa kina nani, watuambia wote azidi kukua kwa Premier Gang. Guys, pia mimi nataka Premier Gang. You're welcome. Lakini I don't premier my yours. I should try. So, Auski, I'm sorry. Wacha tuanze hapa na wanisikie vizuri. Atuambia anaitwa nani? Okay. Just your name.
Sawa. I'm Diana Wanjuro Mwangi, lakini kwa Premier Gang wananijua Princess Diana. She's just a vibe. Tunampenda sana. Thank you Diana for inviting us here. Tunakupenda.
Wow, what about you?
Hello, naitwa Diana Ondieki.
Hey Diana.
Diana.
Yeah, kutoka Premier Gang, pia mimi ni YouTuber.
Wow, you're
my channel. Yeah, Diana Ondieki kila pahali.
Which kind of content do you do?
Lifestyle vlogs tu kama Zadi.
Wow, wakufollow hapo. Subscribe.
Kiwambie subscribe to my channel.
Kimunga if not. Kuambia wa subscribe.
Diana Ondieki pale YouTube, please subscribe.
Wow, what about you? What's your name?
My name is Anfil. Yeah, I'm Premier Gang. They know me as Anfil Kemi. So I came today to at least to show support to Diana. Actually, is one of the friends that we've been together, like, you know, in social media, all the pages, and also I just like to be able to tell my colleagues or anybody who's watching this video, let's support our colleagues here, and then everything will be okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wewe una YouTube ama Instagram? Tell them to
follow. Oh, my Instagram page is Anfil_Kemi. Facebook the same. Okay. Everywhere.
This is the famous Daphne. Daphne mimi nakujuanga. Yeah, nakujuanga sana, niliona ile prank mlifanyia Diana. Exactly, that one. Hapa ndo nilikujua vizuri hadi sura. Anyway, Daphne, ambia majina zako zote.
First and foremost, you are so pretty.
Okay, thank you.
And my name is Daphne Amisi, but Premier ananijua tu kama Daphne, and it is such an honor to be here. I love Diana so much. I'm so honored pia kukuja huku kumsupport and everything, and I love both of them. I'm sure the album will hit. It's already a hit. And me follow IG as Daphne Amisi.
Okay, ulijipataje hapa? You guys were invited ama what happened?
Yeah, so Diana was choosing 15 people from her Premier Gang.
Kwani normally how many are you on the Premier Gang?
Well, we are a lot.
A lot? Okay.
200 plus maybe.
Na Diana amemanage kuwajua nyi wote?
Most of them.
Wow.
Yule ndio nilipea burger.
Wacha nipige huko peke yao wawili peke yake. Chill bro, hii ni photo kidogo.
Okay, sawa.
Pole. Pressure pole.
Music, celebrity, entertainment, showbiz. Welcome to the Town Trend Show.